Bet you didn't know that yawning has some surprising benefits. When you yawn, your brain gets a mini wake-up call. Scientists believe yawning helps cool down our brain, keeping it alert and focused. It's like a natural air conditioner for your noggin. Plus, yawning boosts blood flow and helps stretch the muscles in your face and neck. Feeling sleepy yet? Yawning is also a sign that your body needs more oxygen. So the next time you yawn, take a deep breath and enjoy the benefits. And here's a fun fact. Yawning can actually help improve your mood and relieve stress. How cool is that? So next time you catch yourself yawning, remember, it's not just because you're tired, it's your body's way of keeping you sharp and relaxed. Stay curious and keep yawning for those surprising benefits.